We all want our teeth to look nice. But with everyday use, they can start to get a little bit dull, gray, or even brown. With eating and drinking all different food and drinks, they are bound to get discolored. Drinking coffee, tea, and smoking are maybe the worst things that discolor your lovely white teeth. So, how do you whiten your teeth, and get them gleaming again without going to the dentist, or using expensive chemicals? In this video, we are going to give you 2 recipes that you can make at home, to get your teeth lovely and white again, within a few days. Recipe number 1. Find a nice medium-size fresh orange, and squeeze the juice into a cup. This is easiest done if you cut the orange in half or quarters. Take 3 teaspoons of the juice, and put it into a small bowl or dish. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Add 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. If you are in the UK, cornflour is the same as US cornstarch. The next ingredient to add is toothpaste. Just use the brand that you normally brush your teeth with, maybe Colgate. Mix this all in the dish until it's a creamy paste, and then add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Continue to mix until you have a nice creamy paste. Use the paste to brush your teeth for about 3 minutes every day for a week, and see the difference. You'll have the brightest, whitest smile without having to use chemicals or damaging your gums and teeth. And you'll be saving a lot of money. Recipe number 2. Take about 3 cloves of garlic. Peel off the top skin and grate them into a small bowl. Take 1 large tomato. Cut it in 2 and squeeze the juice of just 1/2 into the bowl. Add a teaspoon of toothpaste, again just your normal brand, and mix it all together to make a creamy paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture for a week, and see the results. Any teeth whitening process isn't permanent. It will last only a few weeks to a few months, but this can vary from one person to another. If you are a smoker or you like your red wine, then the whitening effect will be much shorter. This will also apply if you drink coffee or tea, as they can leave heavy stains on your teeth. Our teeth whitening, natural remedies are an easy, effective way to get the pearly white teeth you have always wanted. But, once again, the only way to find out if it works for you, is to try it out and see for yourself. Let us know your results, and any other tips you have in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video and it has been of some benefit to you. Please, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel, for more natural remedy recipes.